Me and Brandy had acids. Okay, what is an acid? Acids are compounds that donate hydrogen when dissolved in aqueous solutions. The compounds begin with H, hydrogen. And here are some examples like hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Most things that taste sour are acids. Acids have different strength. The stronger the acid, the better it is at dissolving things. Like in your stomach, hydrochloric acid is so strong that it breaks down the food you eat. And when you get cavities, the germs feed on bits of food that you forget to brush off and make strong acids that melt your teeth.
Here are some foods that you eat that contain acids, such as lemons, oranges, apples, grapes, carrots, vinegar, pepper, coffee, and cranberries, and like milk. You can tell if something is an acid if it starts with H. You can also tell if it reacts with metals and produces hydrogen gas. All acids taste sour, but you should not taste most of the acids. And if it has a pH level of 7 or below, it's an acid.
How can you be exposed to an acid? There's lots of different ways you can be exposed, like if you work in a chemical or metal planting industry that produces detergents or soaps, fertilizers, lead acid batteries, or work in printing, publishing, or photography shops. You can be exposed by breathing outdoor air where coal, oil, or gas is burned. And you may also be exposed if you touch material that forms on the outside of your car batteries.
What would happen if you swallowed an acid? You'd have abdominal pain, drooling, mouth pain, vomiting blood, rapid pulse, fever, and all that good stuff, so don't swallow acid. If you touch acid, burning of an area of exposure, and the erosion of skin, and clothes that have been exposed.
Okay, so we found a little acid video for you to watch, like a reaction, so here you go.
Oh yeah, straight away you can see the bubbling there with the base. Clearly you've got a very vigorous reaction in both cases. So what's being generated here is sodium aluminate. What's being generated over there in the acid can, oh my word, is aluminium chloride and water. We expected reaction with both, yeah, I hadn't anticipated it to be quite so vigorous. I hadn't expected it to be quite so, wow! That is brilliant. So this is obviously a very vigorous, hot reaction. You've got a lot of fumes being given off, which is a good job why we did it in the fume cupboard. You can see all that smoke being drawn up into the extraction fan. I honestly thought the acid would have done more damage. Because when you think of acid, you always associate acids as being the evil guy of the chemical world. I think those Pepsi cans have gotten off very lightly. They may have had their tops cut off, but they've met a fate far better than the Coke cans here. Good old Pepsi for making them steel. Neil, can you clean that up for us? What's left is just the plastic around the outside of the can. All the metal's been converted to sodium aluminate, and that one's still going. The acid is still eating away at that can, and again it's just leaving behind the plastic coating. It was a really exothermic reaction, and I didn't think I would actually see a can bubbling away like that. It's just incredible, isn't it? It looks pretty.